Hello and welcome back to the Reapers. Today we're in the 2004 Renault Clio, and by popular demand we're going to do the startup procedure, and no shit, this is the honest to god startup procedure, cold start and warm down of the Clio. And you will attest, I'm not allowed to show her on camera apparently, but you will attest to this, won't you?
Yes.
So we have to go through this every time, don't we?
Yes, every time.
Yes, okay, so let's go. So first of all, we can't lock the car because it doesn't lock anymore, so we just have to leave it open, and yes, it has no back seats. And we have to get this. The car is called Eve's, by the way, you probably know that already. This is where the secret spanner lives, and then we can pull this. I'm going to need you to hold that. Doing this one-handed is a long time. Come on, you can do it. Right, so we have to disconnect the battery every time we park it, because otherwise it wears the... Basically, Eve's electrics, because he's old and stubborn and French, Eve's electrics have all shut down, and so if you shut the car down like this, the stereo and all of the electrics turn on and all of the lights bleep, and he just wears his battery down in about an hour. So even if we go to the shop, we have to do this. Yes, it's very annoying. So I'll connect it like that. What a manly engine. Eve's. He's leaking oil really bad, by the way, so that's the next video we need to do. Can I have the spanner? Thank you. So what we do now is turn this clockwise twice. You don't have to do this in an F14, do you? Okay, check that he's not wiggle free. No, the battery is not stable anymore because I lost the bracket that holds it. That's fine, we just don't crash. Hold that, please. Eve's. Oh, sugar, where have I put the keys? Here we go. We don't worry about... These are speed holes. Yes, you can put your key right through them, but they are to enhance cooling for the engine. Big, powerful engine needs lots of ambient cooling. Let's try not to scratch the mother-in-law's car today. How about that there? Like that. Get ready for the sound of power. Come on, monkey. Yeah, start. Eve's. And now the shutdown procedure, because I did promise that. So what we do is we turn it off. And this is not fun doing it at Tesco's. Right, you do your bit, monkey. Do the procedure. Could you hold that up? Because it's a pain in the butt, thank you. The little spindly arms. And we get like this. Turn 2 times. Out. Eve's. Thank you. And then I got it. That. And then in there. And then we can't lock it, obviously. Eve's. So that was the start up. And sorry, that was the cold start and shutdown procedure of Eve's. I hope you found that video useful, and we'll see you later.